Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize a table on Microsoft PowerPoint. So at first open up your PowerPoint, and after open the PowerPoint just open any document. You can see in my document a table is already created. Now if you want to customize your table, at first you have to select your all the table. Just press Ctrl plus A from your keyboard to select your all the table. And after that you can find two tabs, table design tab and table layout tab. Then just click on table design tab, and using these two tabs you can customize your table, and you can customize anything as you like. Suppose if you want to change your table style, then you can change your table style from here, and from here you can add shading in your table. From here you can add border and effects to your table. Suppose if you want to change your shading color, just click on shading, and from here you can choose any color as you like. If I select it, and you can see it's changed successfully. Also if you want to add borders, just click on borders, and you can choose any option as you like. If I select inside border, and you can see inside border has been added successfully. Also if you click on table layout tab, you can also customize your table from here. You can add or remove row or column from here, and from here you can split your cells. You can customize your cell size, alignment, table size, and arrange your table from here. And that's it. And that is how you can customize your table on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.